All right, here's a quick video on attaching the topper to the Gen Mega 2500. Here's the parts that you're going to have that's included with the topper kit. One is the bracket. The bracket's going to attach to the topper. You'll have two bolts with nuts. Those will attach the bracket to the ATM itself. And then you're going to have your 6 mounting screws to mount the bracket to your topper. The supplies to do this really only takes a Phillip head screwdriver and some pliers. The pliers will be used to attach the bolts to the ATM. So I'll give you a quick rundown here on how to attach everything, and we'll get these attached up and onto the ATM. First, we're going to take our bracket. We'll slide the power line through the bracket so it can go through the ATM. Take the first of our 6 screws, Phillip head screws, and we'll line this up with the 3 mounting holes that you see on the bottom of the topper, and we'll screw those in. You'll notice that the bracket here has a little bend in it. That bend is to account for the slope of the back of the ATM so that the topper actually sits square on top of the ATM. So I'm going to screw all 6 of these in. Alright, here's a picture of what it looks like once we've assembled the base to the topper here. We see the 6 screws that have gone into the topper. We've got our power cable coming out of the bottom. That power cable will get connected to the ATM for the LED lights. So I'll take you over to the ATM now and show you how this actually connects to the ATM. All right, now we're going to assemble the bolts, or the topper to the ATM using the bolts that came with the mounting brackets. First thing you want to do is take the little plugs out of the bolt holes here. There's 2 of those. We'll take out the existing grommet that came with the ATM and put in the new one that's got the opening there for the cable. Actually, we're not going to put that in quite yet because we're going to run the cable through it. So let me show you how to attach the topper to the ATM now. We will assemble the power electrical through the grommet, connect the grommet in, just like that, feed it through, bring the ATM topper, set it right on top of the ATM. Now we'll use our mounting bolts. Now we will bolt the mounting bolts in through the topper. All right, and we'll do the second one here. And then these are our locking nuts right here that go on the underside of the mounting bolts, and that keeps it from being removed from the machine. So that'll lock it right on there. Put our second one on there, and we've now successfully mounted the ATM or the topper to the top of the ATM. Now we take the power cord that will help with the LED lights, and we connect the power cord here to the power down here, and there we go. That's how you assemble the topper on top of the Gen Mega 2500.